Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the sweet candy heart earrings. Now this is a really nice, quick and easy DIY pair of earrings. So I wanted to create these to really showcase these cute little pendant hearts. Now one of them says dream on and the other says bite me, but what's really fun is on the other side it has the other saying. So really fun, cute little sort of mismatched pair of earrings that I'm going to be using some cup chain and some cup chain ends to finish off. So I have some cup chain here, and this is actually a really great project to use if you have some leftover cup chain. You can see that I have a few scraps here. Now this is the 24 pp size, so I have 24 pp cup chain ends. I'm going to show you how easy that is to use here. I have my little earring hook that I'm going to be using, and to finish it off I have some 4mm 20 gauge jump rings. Alright, so let's go ahead and take our cup chain here, and I actually only want to use 5 cups, so I'm going to take my flush cutters and I'm going to cut off just one of those little cups there. And all I'm doing is I'm cutting that little center link of the chain right in the center there. Alright, so I'll set my little extra aside. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chain nose pliers here and I'm going to utilize those cup chain ends. Now you can see that they kind of sit right into there and they have those little prongs that sit up. So what we're going to do is we're going to bend those around that cup. So just very simply we're just going to kind of come over here and just squeeze it so you can see it kind of pinches in there, and then we're going to squeeze the other side. There we go. So now to complete it, we're going to go to the other side of this little chain and we're just going to repeat that with that other cup chain end. So really fun, quick and easy, and this is a nice way to sort of give yourself a little loop to add to an earring finding or a jump ring. All right, so very simply here, I'm going to take 2 pairs of chain nose pliers now. I'm going to take my little jump ring and give it a nice gentle twist just to open it just enough. And I want to string on my little charm here. Now you can do this with a lot of different charms, which makes this a great little pair of earrings and a great little style to sort of add to your arsenal of quick and easy jewelry. Of course, if I can get it on my jump ring right away. Oh, come on. There you go. All right, so I just slipped on my little charm to that cup chain end there, closing up that jump ring, making sure it's nice and flush. And then onto the other side here, I'm just going to open up that little ear wire just by pressing it, slipping on my little cup chain, and closing that up. And that's it. That finishes off my nice little pair of earrings. So I have these sweet candy heart earrings with a little bite me and a little dream on. So this is a fun little Valentine's Day project and a quick and easy pair of earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to hear anything more about the supplies I used in this video, be sure to look at the show notes below, and of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button.